this is a super cool, just a really quick, simple burger patty that is delicious. And we're gonna hold it together with oats, oat flour. And it's really, really that simple. And then I've got some oats, which I just wanna turn into flour, which all I do, straight into the food processor. And now you have a really fine oat flour. Okay, so heat up your pan and a good splash of oil, just like that. It's really easy. Mushrooms going first. Then you're gonna add in your beans. The onion and garlic powder. That miso paste. And now you want just a little bit of pepper. Just stirring as you're going, low heat. Parsley in. And now I'm gonna add this glory into the oats. Okay, I want a little splash of olive oil. And pulsing means just this, ready? I know, right? Some people write to me and goes, what do you mean by pulse? This is what I mean. Have a look in here. So straight into a bowl. Have a taste. Very beany. That's what we want. And let that cool completely before we make these amazing patties in the breadcrumbs. And then you just figure out what you want to do. You want tomato, slices of tomato, onion, lettuce. What do you want? I'm going to check what's in my fridge. And then we'll put it all together. Totally cool down and they're just great. Okay, but I'm going to put tomato sauce first. Tomato, yes, salt and pepper on your tomato. Very important. Makes everything delish. And then my lettuce and my lid. I feel really good. They look really good, don't they? Like really good. Yummy. This is like a midweek special where you just don't want to cook anything and you got some random piece of tofu left in the fridge. Seriously, it's that easy. I've got some firm tofu and carrot, some random coriander in the bottom of the fridge, cumin and coriander. That's pretty much all it is. It's that simple. So first I'm going to grate the carrot. I'm going to add, I'm not even going to use a knife. I'm just going to, stalks and all, everybody, stalks and all. Just rip this up. I'm going to add my cumin, coriander powder, my tofu, my corn flour, not tapioca, potato starch, salt and pepper, definitely. Another quick whiz, like seconds, literally 2 seconds. How this has just come together beautifully. I'm gonna make 2 patties because that's all we need is 1 each. So I'm gonna make 1 each and we don't eat a lot, so. Okay, toss them in breadcrumbs and just sit them aside in the fridge for about 10 minutes until they firm up, and then we're gonna cook them. All right, I'm using cast iron, and I'm using the most amazing cast iron pans on the planet, the most amazing cast iron frying pans that I've ever had in my life. They're called Ironclad, and they are incredible. See how they're not sticking? See that? I'm proud to use these pans and I'm proud to show you how easy it is. Beautiful. This is a low heat. It's holding its heat well. It's super low, allowing it to just cook for 15 minutes. And down to the beach. Oh my God, I don't think I'm even gonna get to the beach. The world's most easiest burger patty. It's amazing. This is so simple. Have a look at these ingredients. There's no beans or legumes involved here or even rice. It's really that easy. So this is what you're gonna do. The flour and the psyllium. That's gonna sit aside. Is the mushrooms, the leek, carrot, garlic cloves, oregano, and some beautiful fresh basil and parsley, just chopped off roughly, just like that, and then straight into the food processor. And you're gonna whiz this for about 5 seconds. Next, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper, building blocks of flavor. Gonna whiz it again for another 2 or 3 seconds. Now you're gonna add your dry ingredients, which is your breadcrumbs, your psyllium, and your cassava flour. Give this a really good mix. And it's quite crumbly now, and it doesn't look like it's gonna hold. You're gonna take half of this, put it back into the food processor, give it a whiz for about 5 seconds. And you're going to take that. It's so cool. Every recipe throughout my cookbook is designed with your ultimate health in mind. In other words, your organs know exactly what to do with these ingredients. And now I'm going to take a bit of that patty. This is what I'm going to do. So just take it into your hand like this. And this is the important part of this whole entire cookbook, is understanding where you're at and with your intention. Then I'm going to take each patty and I'm going to roll it into a ball like this. I'm just going to squish it down like this, and making a nice flat burger. And you're going to do that to every single patty, straight onto the breadcrumbs, and repeat. Tossing them in some breadcrumbs, straight over to the barbecue plate, just a splash of oil, and straight on. And you cook them until they are golden brown. So I've got some lettuce, some tomatoes, I've got some sauerkraut because I had some in the fridge. I've got some of my lovely pickles, which is in this incredible cookbook. And then a patty, and another patty, and you can have some of my anti-inflammatory dressing or tomato sauce on one, it's up to you, and that's it. One of the many recipes in my brand new cookbook, Ultimate Health, but get you all yummy and nourished and salivation central.